Gukoretwo na muhuhu ati atongoria a Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na Musalia Mudavadi aria ni ituge igire hari inya cia ngwataniro ino ya One Kenya Alliance ni mararaniria na njira ya thiri na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga na mutongoria wa kiama kia UDA munini wa President William Ruto niguo mathame OKA undu uria makanite.
The last time I spoke to Honorable Raila Odinga was last year. In fact, one day before, he attended my party's delegates congress on 25th of November. How can you flirt with somebody with whom you have no communication?
When I meet anybody, I will tell you. I will not make it a secret meeting. It will be obvious. I will meet with whoever I want to meet, and I'll make it public.
I have not received any formal or informal invitation from anybody.
Maugite matirenyenyo ni mundu kuingira kana kuma ngwataniro-ini ya OKA.
No, the issue of KANU being in Jubilee coalition is for this government. For the next government, what we're working for is KANU will be in OKA.
And attempts have been made to run down OKA principles. And these attempts are coming a cropper.
That we shall not be cajoled into sprinting when in fact we are running a marathon.
Oho magiteaniria uhoro ati kihitahitaniro kia mweri wa kanana gia guthie thingira wa iregi ni kia barathi igire Odinga na Ruto.
I want to urge you, the media, not to engage in shaping opinion that there's a two-horse race and OKA is coming in to force a runoff.
We do not go to an election because we want to create a runoff.
So we urge you, with all the humility, to run away from this two-horse mentality.
Thank you very much.
Atongoria a ngwataniro ino ya One Kenya Alliance magithie na mbere na gutetera urumwe wa ngwataniro ino riri gukoretwo na muhuhu wa njatukaire thege ya ngwataniro-ini iyo riu maugite gugikinyiria muthia-ini wa mweri wa keri mwaka uyu niguo magakorwo makianirira nu ugakorwo ari murirukia wa federa yao githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku Karen Nairobi, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.